Hey guys, welcome again. In this video, we are going to understand how to use center widgets also. In previous video, we have also seen center, but here I am going to explain you separately how to use center. So for that, I am creating one more file here. So I say file. Here I say container main.dart. So here I have a container example. So I am copying this to all into this file. Later on we can see this, but now I am removing this container. So this container is there. So I select this container and remove this, delete this. So container is gone. Now in place of container, I want to use, you can say one text to display this. I say this is use of center widgets. Okay, save this. You will see that one thing is coming here, one text is coming here. I want to put this text into the center. Just simply I need to put here center like this, and inside this here I need like this. This is the child, so I put child here like this. Save this. You see automatically it will come to the center of the screen. So this is the mastery of center widget. If you want to put anything just at the center of the screen, you need to use center widget. Okay, so that's all here. It's a very small widget to explain you that it only put the content into the center of the screen of the mobile. If you have such kind of requirement in your application, just simply put under the center widgets. Automatically everything, whether it is text, whether it is container, whether it is anything, whatever you want, it will come automatically to the center of the screen. So that's all here. Thank you for watching this video.